My name is Monica Cloak. This is my daughter, Brook Cloak. She's 18 years old. We first came to Premier Orthopaedics when Brook was in 4th grade, I believe. We had a softball injury. She was playing softball, slid into second base, and broke her growth plate in her thumb. We were referred to Dr. Fred McAlpin, and we've been coming to Fred ever since.
I'm thinking about going into nursing in college, so I shadowed Dr. McAlpin's surgery in the OR one day. And his PA assistant, Ian Gray, looked at my shoulder because I was complaining about it, and he suggested that I go get it looked at and that it might be a slap tear. The symptoms that I started to feel was just like an ache, like when I would throw, because since I'm a catcher, like throwing to second base and everything was getting harder, like my throws weren't as strong as they used to be. So I followed up with Dr. McAlpin, and he sent me over for an MRI and an arthrogram, and when he got the results, he called me and told me that I tore my labrum.
So in July of 2016, we decided that we were going to have the surgery to repair her labrum on her right shoulder. With any surgery, I feel as though once you have surgery, you're never the same. So that was a concern that her arm, her shoulder would never be as strong or as same as it was before the surgery, but she's recovered fine and she seems to be just as strong as she was before the surgery happened.
I feel great now. After the surgery, I went to physical therapy for a couple months, and I feel now that as if I'm better than I was before the surgery.
She was cleared in March of 2017 for high school season to start in April. Went back to playing travel softball in May of 2017, and in July of 2017 she was offered a spot on a team for Suffolk University in Boston, Massachusetts.
Getting recruited after surgery felt really good because before surgery and a little bit after surgery, like I thought I wouldn't be able to play in college because I didn't know how I was going to recover or if my arm was ever going to be the same.
I highly recommend Dr. McAlpin and Premier Orthopaedics to any other student, athlete, or anybody in general who needs any type of surgery for any kind of discomfort or repair work. After having all of our interactions with Dr. McAlpin since Brooke has been in 4th grade, when my second daughter, Emily, who's 14, sprained her ankle, there was no other question of where we would go. We immediately just made an appointment with Dr. McAlpin because we're that confident in his recommendations of what needs to be done and his diagnostics that we feel as though it's the only place we need to go.